Okay, in this video I'm going to be talking about volume. Now, you're probably quite familiar with volume already. With units of volume, I mean liters, milliliters. These are two common units of volume that you probably find on cans and bottles of drinks and stuff like that. Now, in chemistry, we tend to not use units liters and milliliters when we're measuring amounts of volumes of things. What we do use are units which are the same quantity, but we represent them differently. Now, liters can also be represented as a cube, a cubed. Basically, liters can be represented using decimeters cubed, and this is basically a tenth of a meter. And since it's volume and it's three-dimensional quantity, you raise it to the power of 3, and that's why we use decimeters cubed. Now, also, decimeters cubed are basically the same thing as 1,000 centimeters cubed, and one centimeter is 10 times. Centimeters are smaller than decimeters by a factor of 10, and the reason why this is 1,000 times a centimeter cubed is 1,000 times smaller than a decimeter cubed is because both of these quantities, decimeters and centimeters, they're being cubed, and therefore the difference, as in the factor of 10, that 10 which is different when we haven't cubed it yet, we have to cube that difference also to find out the difference between them when they are cubed. And when we cube 10, we get 1,000, and that's why 1,000 centimeters cubed is basically equal to a decimeter cubed. So if this was 1 decimeter cubed, let's say 1 liter, to convert units from say 1,000 centimeters cubed to 1 decimeter cubed, what we need to do is, if there was a decimal point here, we need to shift it 3 places, 1, 2, 3 places to the left. And if we had this decimeters cubed here, let me write it down here, up here actually, 1.000 dm cubed. What we need to do is shift this decimal places shift the decimal point 3 places to the right, so 1, 2, 3, and so the decimal point would be here instead of being here, so it wouldn't be here anymore. And this would give us the units in, well, this would give us the units in centimeters cubed, and same thing here, this would give us the units in decimeters cubed if the decimal point was here instead of here. Right, now milliliters are basically the same thing as 1 centimeter cubed, equals 1 centimeter cubed, which is basically like this unit here, 1 centimeter cubed. And this can be represented, say we wanted to convert centimeters cubed into decimeters, what we need to do is shift this decimal point 3 places to the left, so 1, 2, 3, so there'd probably be a 1 here. Whoa, no, there would be the decimal point would be here, and there'd be a 0 and a 0 and a 0 here. Well, yeah, hold on, let me fix this. Yeah, there'd be 2 zeros here, so that would equal 0.001 dm cubed. Alright, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 0.001 dm cubed. And that's how you convert units in decimeters cubed. And a simple way to visualize converting centimeters cubed to decimeters cubed is to say that 1 dm cubed equals, well, dm cubed equals cm cubed divided by 1000. In terms of units, it would be whatever the x is that's in the value divided by 1000. That would give you the units in decimeters cubed. And that's basically how volume works in chemistry.